Alright guys, so it's occurred to me that I should probably do a little bit of a channel trailer here, since this is my first attempt at a video or anything like that. And the first thing I want to do is thank the 11 people out there who are goodly enough to want to subscribe to me with no content whatsoever. I don't know why you're following me. I appreciate it. Hopefully this video today, or this series, or what I'm doing on my channel will be something that interests you. If not, thank you again anyhow. But what I'll probably be doing for at least a few videos here is basically just bringing you along to see what I'm doing with some of my projects, and to see what's going on in the shop. I'm interested in a whole lot of different things. All the videos probably won't all be garage videos. They won't all be about this car. I have many projects to address. So we'll just see what happens as time moves on, and I want to thank you guys again for stopping by, and I hope you enjoy what's coming up. We'll both find out what that's going to be together.